Hello, good day. This is Maylene. I'm inviting everyone, those live streamers, singers, and gamers to join Chamet today. Why Chamet? You can earn money free online. Because here at Chamet, there are many ways to earn and many opportunities actually. So to those who are looking for an agency, well, glad that we met today. You can connect to me. Just check the link at the comment section. You can earn money online for free. So hurry! You can connect to me now. So hurry! To those live streamers, singers, gamers, please join now at Chamit. See ya! Good day!